and welcome to Couch Confessions with the Mischief Makers. I am your insider Simran Behel और मेरे साथ है अभी double drama, double spice, a double mischief maker. Hi Nia and Urfi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am great.
Okay, and I am famous, fabulous and rich. How are you?
That's so I know. But मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज मैं अपनी girl gang बना के एक आपके साथ ही करने वाली हूँ. There is no boy, so I'm very happy. But
No boys club. ये अपना तो है
There's
ही
never
है.
a boy in mine, but I'm glad to know you guys are with me.
yes, I am very single. Starting with पहला जो हमारा सेगमेंट है वो है फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन. तो निया, आप पहली बार मिस्chief मेकर कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है मिस्chief मेकर करके? क्या कैसे पता लगा था जब आपको पता चला था कि आप मिस्chief मेकर करने वाले हो?
सच बोल.
हाँ सच बोल.
सच बोलो.
So they all met me and
Yeah.
then पहले तो वही डर रहे थे मुझे बताने से what they're offering me. Okay, so they said we know you'll say no, we know you'll say no. Yeah. ऐसे बोल तो क्या है क्या? What is it? And then again, cut the long story short, and then they told me this is Splits Villa we are giving you. I said okay, great. And the next thing they said, just take your time. We want you to be the mischief maker. And they said it's with Urfi. And then there was silence in the room because for obvious reasons, you know how we've always been pitted against each other and the media hoopla that they've always created around each other. And yes, there was a very, very obvious silence, and then and they knew firsthand that I'll say no to it. But they didn't know what was coming. Here we are.
So you said yes.
It took an hour, but then I realized in the end, why shouldn't have I? You know, they asked me one actually very valid question in the end when all the discussions were done, and the question was, what is your problem with her? And I had no answer to that question because professionally, really I was stunned, and it was a very, very valid question that opened my mind on a lot of levels. I said whatever I'm thinking of the other person is through the lens of other people. It was never one-on-one. I'd never met her personally, or there has never been an altercation, and that gave me a very clear picture in my head that it's a professional space and she's doing amazingly well, and why shouldn't I? And that's when
And I'm very happy you're here.
I'm very happy too.
Coming to you. आप करते आए हो मिस्chief मेकर, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है इस बार आपके साथ में एक और मिस्chief मेकर?
I was very excited from the beginning when they told me. I was like, yeah, I would love to have somebody. And when they told me, I was very excited. Ki, you know, and this time I knew if they're getting someone, it would actually be more fun. And I would have someone. Otherwise, I used to come alone and shoot. मेरा मन नहीं लगता था. So I was very happy. Yeah.
तो आप दोनों में से ज़्यादा बड़ा ट्रबल मेकर?
I would say that's Urfi,
Yeah,
because I'm
that's
still
me.
the baby. I'm the baby here. She's spoon feeding me, and I'm glad she's helping me here. So every time I have a question, I always look up to her, and then I ask her, and then she's so nicely like a teacher. Okay, अब ये करेंगे. No, you don't have to worry. Everything will go like. So
That's
it's nice.
sweet. But एक बात बताओ, ऐसा क्या है आप दोनों के बारे में जो आप दोनों को बहुत सरप्राइज करता है? आपको निया मैम के बारे में और निया मैम आपको?
So I think when I met her for the meeting ना अभी, she was so kind. She offered जैसी लोग आए मीटिंग के लिए अभी इनके रूम में, तो she was so kind कि वो गई लोगों के लिए बिस्किट लेके आई, and she was like, would you have something? That was very sweet. मतलब that was very kind कि that she knew कि कोई बंदा काम करके आ रहा है, so we have to offer them food, and that was very nice.
Sweet.
And आपको क्या लगता है इनके बारे में जो बहुत सरप्राइजिंग लगा हो?
Well, I always found Urfi very arrogant and very negative when I saw her on screen. Again, it's always the perception that you have of a person. I didn't have very good ideas about her because वो बोलती है वे चलना. And then I've seen few clippings of her where she was screaming, abusing the out of each other, everybody on Splits Villa, and I thought I don't think I ever want to come face to face with a person like that. But okay, there is a but. When you meet the person, that's when I say never in your life, if you're seeing a person on screen, you don't know them. Yeah. It's always the time when they come face to face with you, is how they behave with you, is when you should make your perception about that. And Urfi has been somebody who's met me here and there in parties, and always the first one to have walked up to me and always told me very nicely, hey Nia, I've always seen you and you've always dressed well, and I really like how you've dressed up. And me being me, I was not so kind to her at those times, but later on
I didn't realize.
And later on I realized there is a reason why we are sharing the same platform, because she's done wonderfully well for herself, and a girl who's made her name all by herself. It takes a lot of guts, and I admire the guts of her. And unlike how the media wanted to pit us against each other. I'm so glad and I'm so happy that we got on this platform to break that myth of all the people.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ कि ऐसा क्या है जो आप दोनों में बहुत सिमिलर है या फिर बहुत अपोजिट है?
No, I think the similarities that we both are bold, and we don't really follow the normal societal norm that how a ideal woman should be, which I felt even before doing the show. I felt that about her.
And what's very opposite कि ऐसा तो है ही नहीं इसमें और उसमें.
We are not the same personalities for sure. The fact that on a professional platform, she took me very with a lot of warmth, and I took her with a lot of warmth, and I'm loving the energy that she's throwing at me, and I'm throwing at her, because usually. With also the mind that I came with, and I was warning everybody, listen, I'm not wanting that kind of negative energy, which I was a little scared of and skeptical of. I am so glad that because it takes a healthy mind to be, you know, matured enough to take you that way. Otherwise, girls, you know how it goes. So I feel it's very mature of her, which I don't, otherwise दिखता नहीं है पर वो है.
I'm really happy there's a बहन कोड now. लोगों की ब्रो कोड होता है, बहन कोड भी
बहन दोनों मचा देंगी कहर.
तो
Hashtag बहन कोड.
I love when girls support each other और ये बहन कोड चलता है because मैंने बहुत ब्रो कोड देखा है चलता हुआ. I mean बहन कोड. Clearing it out again. But इस बार आपका कोई मिस्चीफ मंत्र है, कुछ सोच के आए हो?
यहाँ निया की एक लाइन है ना, come on निया.
वो तो आपने बहुत सुना होगा, दो भाई दोनों तबाही. Let's flip the script this time. It is दो बहन दोनों में से कोई नहीं करेगा रहम. एक कॉमन कहावत है, सबने सोशल मीडिया पे देखा ही है, दो भाई दोनों तबाही, राइट? फ्लिप करते हैं. इस बार होगा दो बहन
दोनों कहर
नहीं करेंगी किसी पे रहम.
Oh my God.
That's good.
मुझे लग रहा है गर्ल गैंग पहले से ही बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
बन गया है एक्चुअली.
Yeah.
और ऐसा क्या है कि आप विला में टॉलरेट ही नहीं करोगे?
I didn't tolerate a lot of shaming. A lot of body shaming was there today. Skin tones, you too moti, too choti, too kali, too peeli. Girls doing this to girls, it happened in one of the episodes, and I kind of blasted because we all grow up with our insecurities. I am somebody like that. I am born like that. No, not this girl. I'm sure she has had her issues that, you know, and we grow up to deal with them. Today, after 15 years of working on myself, of gaining this confidence, I won't let any Tom, Dick and Harry come and tell me that you look like this, or you look ugly, or you're not worth this or that. I'm not going to let any fucking body define me. You know? So when those girls were doing it, it's their developing years, they're learning. So if somebody from my position where I'm standing today, I could take that liberty to shut them up right there. So that I didn't tolerate. Is that what you're fighting about? Kiski shakal? I have dark circles. I can come here without makeup. I'll stand in front of you and I'll still have the same attitude. You'll taunt me?
What I wouldn't tolerate. वैसे तो I tolerate a lot. I'm usually like तुम लोग कर लो जो करना है. But I just think if someone like misbehaves with the host, then I'm like कि अरे हम लोगों से बदतमीजी मत करो, हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं. आप उसमें जो करना है करो. जैसे अगर कोई सनी को भी बोल देता है या समथिंग लाइक दैट, अगर ऐसे भी बोल देता है तो आई जस्ट गिव इट बैक. या मुझे कोई बोल देगा तो मैं यार मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे क्या ही बोल रहे हो. मुझे जो ऊपर से तुम भी अपना काम कर रहे हो, हम भी वही कर रहे हैं.
अब दैट्स एक्चुअली बैड बिकॉज आप लोग एक पोजीशन पे हो जहाँ पे एक्चुअली उनको आपका रिस्पेक्ट करना ही चाहिए.
नहीं मत करो रिस्पेक्ट, वो भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे नहीं चाहिए रिस्पेक्ट. अब मैंने रिस्पेक्ट की भीख मांगना बंद कर दी है.
बट अब लोग अपने आप से करते हैं.
नहीं बस बदतमीजी मत करो.
मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, आई हैव एन अनफिल्टर्ड एंड स्पाइसी सेगमेंट फॉर यू. जो बियॉन्ड स्प्लिट्सविला है और मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ सेगमेंट के लिए बिकॉज मैं जानना चाहूँगी ये सब. तो मेरा
पर्सनल लाइफ
सब कुछ जानना है उसको.
नॉट योर पर्सनल लाइफ बट आपको क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं
पसंद है.
दैट्स लाइक दैट.
क्या मेरी पर्सनल लाइफ बची है? शायद. लेट्स सी.
थोड़ी बहुत तो. बट व्हाट्स मोर योर टाइप इन बॉयज? बैड बॉय एनर्जी की सॉफ्ट बॉय एनर्जी?
Well mannered boys.
Okay.
Somebody who knows
Yeah.
that they can stick with one.
लॉयल्टी.
That's my type.
And loyalty is yours.
नहीं मतलब बैड बॉय एनर्जी नहीं है.
Soft boy.
या व्हाट शी सेड लाइक सॉफ्टी. मुझे बहुत ही वो गीकी और नर्डी टाइप लड़के पसंद आते, चश्मिश वाले बिल्कुल, जिनको देख के
वो तो वैसे ही ना दे किसी को धोखा. तो वही वो चाहती है.
बहन वो भी देते हैं, वो भी देते हैं, लड़कों को देते हैं. but still I like very geeky and nerdy guys.
Okay. What's the first thing you notice in a guy? His face या फिर उसकी body या
I
vibe?
melt at the good looks. I mean, and it's my problem, but I don't know why I do that. Otherwise, मैं बहुत सख्त लौंडी हूँ यार.
ना ये बहुत सख्त है. Yeah, I can feel it. Nia is very sucked. I think for me it would be nahi, not face, not body. A good conversation. I should just be able to laugh with that person. That's it.
Okay. तो आप विला में अभी होके आए हो, आप सारे स्प्लिट्स विलन से मिलके आए हो, तो आपको कौन सा स्प्लिट्स विलन बहुत ग्रीन फ्लैग एनर्जी दे रहा है अभी?
Oh, which guy?
Ron and Vishu.
रॉन, कभी अगर आपकी बंदी ने आपको बोला कि भैया मोहित से दोस्ती तोड़ो नहीं तो टाटा बाय बाय, तो आप किसको चुनोगे?
She is my connection. I stick by her. That's how it works.
या रॉन, नॉट विशु. आई थिंक विशु हरामी निकलेगा बाद में. किस किस का कनेक्शन बना? विशु,
खुशी.
खुशी. I feel that, but Ron.
I'll go with her because she has
No,
a lot.
yeah. Ron is definitely a green flag.
मुझे ना एक्चुअली ये जितने भी इस बार का अब जो मैं सीजन कर रही हूँ, I really like looking at those boys. They are very cute. और
They're
ना
very
ऐसे
cute.
ऐसे नजरें चुराते हैं, ऐसे देखेंगे, they'll do a little flirtation. They do that, but I kind of enjoy their energy. You know, cute है.
Yeah, cute है. मुझे भी cute
तुझे भी
लगते
तो लगते ही हैं क्यों बोल
हाँ,
रहे
मुझे
हैं?
yeah, I like some of the
मोहित
guys.
ने अपनी शर्ट उतारी तो बंदी ऐसे ऐसे देख रही थी, दिखाया नहीं बंदी, सख्त लौंडी बन के बैठी थी,
Yeah,
she
good
loved
abs,
it.
हाँ. सच में
Good
अच्छे थे.
body, good body.
So your green flag is Ron.
Yeah, all these
Yeah,
boys.
she's. Yeah, I think Ron is one of the. विशु हरामी निकलेगा. मैं तो बता रही हूँ हरामी निकलेगा.
I think Ron then. Okay.
Ron ही
I'll
है
go with
green
her.
flag.
मैं
मुझे
भी
ऐसा
agree
लगता
I
है.
trust her gut.
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा मुझे भी लग रहा है वो बाद में हरामी हो जाएगा.
विशु पलटी मारेगा. विशु अपना कनेक्शन चेंज करेगा. आई हैव दिस फीलिंग. और अगर विला मिक्स हुए
हाँ.
तो होगा ही होगा.
अब मेरा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है, कभी आप एक्स के पास वापस गए हो ये कह के कि अब तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जाऊंगी?
या
मैंने भी किया हुआ है यार.
नॉट जस्ट वंस, like 1,000 times.
No, मैंने एक बार ये अब ये मैं
ये हर लड़की ने किया होता है.
done it once, but yeah.
1,000 with the same guy.
I am happy I am not alone.
Yeah, you're not alone. You're not alone.
You know, it's the idea of
You have never done it.
once, yeah, yeah.
Just once.
Because that was the longest I had. It was 4 years. तो third year में मेरे को लगा कि
And you guys had never broken up before that.
we're on the verge.
But ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि बस अब हो गया है. नहीं. और फिर थोड़े दिनों बाद no contact के बाद oh my god I missed you.
That is every time, you know. वो ego में messaging बंद हो जाती है. I don't understand. मेरे सारे actually half of the things just end because the response is not coming from the other person first. तो मेरी ego क्या छोटी है क्या यार?
Yeah.
आपने एक बार किया और आपने?
With the same guy, I'll tell you. With the same guy, maybe at least like 1 lakh time.
10 बार तो मैंने भी सुना है अभी दो.
If I can ask, ये कितना लंबा रिलेशनशिप था आपका?
1 year.
पर ये बंदी है इसमें कुछ तो she's so open about it. I've not been able to open up about like nobody knows about my love life. I've never
Yeah.
kind of except my closest buddies or anybody जिनके साथ मैं रोई हूँ कुछ हुआ. She met me first day. बैठते मेरा ब्रेकअप 10 दिन पहले अभी मैं यहीं पे तोड़ूंगी सबको, अभी मैं फोड़ दूंगी सबको.
I was just kidding. अभी मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ, अब मैं यहाँ पे निकालूंगी सब कुछ.
चल, I'll make you feel good about it. I have blocked somebody in 7 days. I'm giving a lot out. Come on.
Nice. I have blocked somebody. I have blocked somebody.
खत्म है जिंदगी. It's fine, I think.
Have you ever blocked somebody? Like ऐसे कभी रिलेशनशिप में आने वाले और कर दिया और ब्लॉक?
रिलेशनशिप में आने वाले नहीं, वैसे तो नहीं.
नहीं?
ऑनलाइन तो डेली आई थिंक ब्लॉक होते ही रहते हैं एज एन ट्रोलर्स इन एवरीथिंग. वैसे हाँ.
Okay. अच्छा ज़्यादा बुरा क्या होगा? ब्रेड क्रम्ड हो जाना या फिर घोस्ट हो जाना?
Both the things are shitty and everyone's doing that in today's time, right?
Yeah,
It's
both.
that.
I agree.
It's shitty to another level.
But I think ghosting is worse. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
बहुत यार, मतलब एक
You
तो
can't just-
घोस्टिंग तो फिर निकल, फिर घोस्ट तो मैं तो फिर ब्लॉक ही कर देती हूँ. नॉट बिकॉज कि वो वापस आ जाए या कुछ है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं ही ना गाली दे दूँ, अभी कुछ लिख ना दूँ उल्टा सीधा. सो आई ब्लॉक एवरीबडी फॉर
Ghosting
माई
is-
सेफ्टी रीजंस.
oh yeah, then they can't come back.
सो दैट आई नो सामने से टेक्स्ट आएगा नहीं, वो गाली खाएगा नहीं. दैट्स व्हाट आई डू.
तो लड़कों की बहुत बुरी आदत है.
It's
4 दिन बाद
everyone.
करके गायब हो जाएंगे, फिर आएंगे अगले
No,
महीने.
because they don't give a fuck about you and we don't get the hint कि उनको मतलब नहीं है and
But girls भी कम नहीं है यार. I don't think it can be put only on guys.
Girls are not
it's both ways. There are girls who खा जाएं, खड़े खड़े बेचते हैं लड़कों को. So it's not just I think boys. We cannot be mean with them here.
कभी आपने उस गाय को डेट किया जिसको पहले आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड डेट कर रही हो या पहले पसंद करती हो?
I've never been in such situations, you know, honestly. No,
this is नहीं, ये मेरा rule है. Like even if my sister or my friend has even liked a guy in the past, that guy is off limits. नहीं हो सकता है. मतलब बहुत ही ये बहुत basic rule है.
That's nice. अच्छा, ये मैं पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस के लिए भी जानना चाहूँगी, अगर मुझे आगे बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना हो, आप ये कैसे समझ लेते हो कि लड़का प्ले अराउंड कर रहा है कि सीरियस है?
I've never been played around because I've not entertained anybody that way. Like I've had crazy times, but now there came a time in the last 4-5 years I've just gone in a very separate shell of mine because I've seen a lot of things and I've gone through a lot of things. And I've stopped entertaining the energies altogether. When you know in the first meeting, third, fourth, you know where the person is heading. So I stop that energy when I get to know it's not going anywhere. And then they vanish mode में मेरे से जो बात करते हैं मैं सबसे पहले तो उनको हाथ जोड़ देती हूँ. If you can't go back to your conversations and you want them immediately deleted, that's the most shady shit.
Guys who talk on
I've ever
vanish
seen.
mode like are like the biggest
Yeah.
players. That is a fact.
तो आपकी टिप मुझे ये रहेगी कि एंटरटेन ही मत करो.
बट गर्ल्स करती है ना यार, वो अपना कटवाती हैं. जब तक 6000 बार ना कट जाए, रो दें, 36 बार आर ना कर दे अपनी फ्रेंड्स के सामने, उनको नहीं मजा आता है. ऑफ कोर्स एवरीवनस लाइक दैट, राइट?
आपसे ताकि मैं ये ना करूं.
नो, बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ calmness and a lot of therapy to be where I have reached.
Yeah.
I've reached a nirvana level. कोई आ जाए.
And for you?
See, if you ask me how do you stay away, no, you can't stay away. You will make your own mistakes. 3-4 प्लेयर के साथ रहोगी तब पता चलेगा. And then it's your girl intuition. You get to know. Intuition हो जाती है कि ये कुछ तो हरामीपना कर रहा है.
ट्राई करके देखूंगी. एंटरटेन ही नहीं करूंगी अब तो, मैं सीख गई हूँ मैं. लेकिन ऐसी कौन सी लाइन है जो कोई लड़का बोल दे तो आपको शुरू में ही उससे एक जैसा फील आने लगता है कि गंदा हो जाता है बहुत?
You know what I find the most shady in a guy, and I've seen them. Urfi is sitting, I'm sitting, you're sitting. They are the ones who will come to me first. If they don't find, they'll immediately go to her. Then the third, बैठे भाई सब तीनों के साथ एक ही type का flirt. When I see those guys, they are the first ones that I don't even want to be friends with, let alone be flirted with, or I want to be flattered by them. Fuck off. They think no end to themselves. उनको लगता है मतलब मरे ही बैठे हैं उनके साथ compliment लेने के लिए, मतलब.
That's creepy. When you go like round when the girls are sitting next to each other and you know that, oh my god, this guy is doing this.
That one guy will be in every girl's DM.
Yeah, oh yeah,
Hey,
DM. Yeah, she's right.
I agree. मुझे
That one guy will be in every girl's DM. Yeah.
I agree. ये सबने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं. कमिंग बैक, ये वही क्वेश्चन है जो आप पहले मुझे थोड़ा बहुत बता चुके हो, लेकिन मैं थोड़ा और जानना चाहूँगी. What's the most misjudged thing people say about you? और क्या वो सच है?
So for the longest time, not now, but I also worked on those things. I was misjudged as being arrogant, rude, a lot of misinformation about me, and which I realized in a lot of times when I was speaking to people when I would go to a new set, and a lot of people would come to me and say, Nia, we heard a lot of negative things about you, but you're nothing like that. You're so professional, you're so nice, and you're just the opposite of what we've heard about you. ये मैंने एक जगह से नहीं, मैंने 10-12 बार different लोगों से सुना, and that's when I realized something is going off. Maybe I've always fought for the right thing. I've always fought for my money, and that's when I've been nasty. But then how people are tweaking you in other people's this thing. So maybe I then realized I have to just play smart in life. Maybe I didn't care before that, but I switched my ways in many other ways, and I made sure that I'm not misbehaving, whatever be it, in any way. And things definitely changed. But yeah, this was, you know, if बहुत लोग आके आपको बार-बार यही बोल रहे that you be thought arrogant and ये.
Maybe they just think that okay.
Sometimes you just are, because you dress up like that, you know, you're all around, you're all over the internet, you know, for being infamous or famous for your clothing. They anyway take you that this is somebody who's, you know, just too full of herself.
Yeah.
And it's not the case, you know.
When you're walking also, people face देख के बोल देते कि अरे attitude होगा इसमें, तो something like that kind of a thing.
That's pretty much shouldn't happen.
And for you?
I don't know. A lot of people think I'm like a lesbian, like I'm gay. That is so weird, right?
ये मुझे नहीं पता था. ये तो मैंने भी आज सुना
ये
है.
कौन बोला भाई?
Someone met one of my friend, like I have my very close friend, so वो अपने friend से मिलेंगे गया, and friends was Australian or something, and they were like, oh, isn't she gay? Like, isn't she like into girls? And I'm like, what? Okay, if these are the rumors.
But you're not. You straight. You like boys.
No, she likes girls. I like her, she likes me.
She likes girls as
Girl
the
energy.
code वाला thing only, guys. वो बहुत
नहीं,
strict है.
तुम अरे I'm not saying anything. I'm quiet on this.
Okay.
You never
ठीक है.
We're all gays, यार उसमें क्या है? We all love girls. Girls are
Yeah.
beautiful. Girls are to be loved and liked.
Yes, girls love each other. That's important. What's one unpopular opinion about love or relationship for you?
Overrated. Honestly, people think they'll die if they don't find love. It's not the truth. In fact, you rise when you get out of that shit. the bad shit. I'm saying nobody needs it. You need money, by the way. I don't know if you catch my drift, but you're not going to die because you didn't find love. But if you don't make enough to survive, it's going to cost you a lot. It's not going to, like it's cliche, but then I like that line that even if I want to cry, I want to be crying in my AMG to have that money. But I am done crying for love, and it's not really. Somebody right will come and they'll not make you cry.
True that. And for you?
Unpopular opinion, they don't make the other person your center of universe. Like, it's okay to just have a good relationship without making them everything. Like, you can be a part of my universe, not the center.
वरना फिर रोते ही रह जाएंगे पूरा टाइम.
Yeah, that then becomes very difficult कि अगर you have to have everything around you.
अच्छा, आपका कोई सेलिब्रिटी फ्रेंड जो आपको लगता है स्प्लिट्स विला में सरवाइव कर लेगा या नहीं कर पाएगा अगर वो इस शो में होते तो?
मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं मेरे, तो मैं सबके बारे में बोल दूंगी. मुझे लगता है ऋत्विक धनजानी, शालीन बनॉट.
I love Ritwik, he's very sweet.
हाँ,
Yeah.
मतलब वो ना अलग ही केस है वो कुछ.
Yeah, yeah,
वो
he
आता
would
है ना
do
अपनी
it.
पे, मतलब he'll play around with everybody like that.
Yeah,
He's a lover boy, I feel.
Oh.
Shaleen is another. He's also in his head like the Casanova of all of these. I think they'll do really really well. I feel.
और कौन एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा सबसे पहले अगर आ गया तो?
Ravi Dubey.
Oh.
He's a one woman man.
He's already married. And your friend?
तो मेरा सेलिब्रिटी फ्रेंड जो बहुत अच्छा करेगा आके वो है हामिद, और जो एक सेलिब्रिटी फ्रेंड अच्छा नहीं करेगा वो है आमिर.
Fair.
ये फेयर है, ठीक है, वो मान सकती हूँ मैं. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, नेक्स्ट जो है वो है हाउ वुड यू रिएक्ट इफ द इफ्स आर अ कंटेस्टेंट कॉल्स यू मैम ऑन डे वन. सॉरी मैंने ही कर दिया था, लेकिन what if?
But that's all right. I feel that is respect.
Yeah.
And where they're coming from, they've seen you, they've seen the body of your work, and it's absolutely all right, you know.
Okay. Okay for you
हाँ
also?
ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा टाइम बाद आदमी लाइक अरे उर्फी बोल रहे हैं तो बोल सकते हो.
A guy says I'm here for love, not for drama.
He's lying.
Here for love and not for drama. I think they're here for the fame.
But I think boys actually सही बात है यार. जो मैंने आज के एपिसोड में जो मैंने लड़कियां देखी और जो लड़के देखे, they were like a stark difference between both the
Yeah.
genders, man. लड़कियां तो खाने को आ रही थी एक दूसरे.
I'm not letting you go. I'm not letting you go. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, let her
She
speak, let her
is so scared. जब इसका moment आया कि अकेले हो जाएगी.
देख रही है?
Oh, I'll be alone in my room. फट गई इसकी गांड फट गई.
And boys were silent. They were तुम कर लो. You know, that's a very stark difference I could see between guys that chill sitting. हाँ, और वो 1 घंटा चली ना वो फाइट. भाई
लड़के ना
घुसे नहीं वो बीच में.
नहीं, पर लड़के बाद में फटते हैं. लाइक उनका धीरे धीरे बिल्डअप होता है और फिर वो एक दुश्मनी और ग्रुप फॉर्म होता है, और दिस इज एवरी सीजन.
But they still didn't surpass how girls were behaving.
बिकॉज दे सीधे डू फिजिकल फाइटिंग, वो सीधे मुक्के में है.
धीरे-धीरे आप
ऐसा
देखोगे
है।
कैसे
आप देखोगे
खून खराब होगा.
ये रोडी स्पिट्सविला का
अच्छा,
है, वो सीधे इस पे आते हैं.
Someone flirts with both of you.
A big no to that.
Yeah man, that's as she said कि एक ही बार में आके एक लड़का नहीं कर सकता है.
अच्छा, you walk into the villa and see people copying your fashion.
But that's good ना.
You'll be
like,
very happy.
yeah, I'll be very happy कि अच्छा मुझसे इंस्पायर हो रहा है. I'm very happy. I'll be very happy.
I'm just glad that not a lot of people can carry what I can carry, and it becomes very easy for me to just flaunt what I flaunt.
मैं एक्चुअली आपसे इंस्पायर होना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन उसके लिए मुझे पहले ये कमर लानी पड़ेगी.
So they can copy all they want, but then they don't become you.
Yes, true that. The villa Wi-Fi stops working.
That is one thing that I'm really pissed with. I can't live without my phone, and then somehow actually this is the truth where we are staying. वो network
हाँ.
काम करता ही नहीं है. But it's also a boon because we get to keep the phone aside and then get some sleep. But
Actually, it's a good thing. Yeah, after
Yeah.
such a long time, I'm also like, chalo chodo.
I'm an
अच्छा है.
Insta addict. I'm always
हाँ,
there. I want to
same.
keep posting something or the other. But yeah, it's eating away so much of your time
Yeah.
and your eyesight and everything.
I agree. Moving forward, this is the last segment. तो अब आप थकोगे नहीं ज़्यादा, और ये रैपिड फायर राउंड है. तो जल्दी जल्दी आपको आंसर देने मुझे येस या फिर नो पे, ठीक है? तो ये रिलेशनशिप ट्रेंड्स है और सिचुएशनशिप.
मेरा तो लेना देना नहीं है इन चीज़ों से, मुझसे क्यों
Situationship.
पूछ-
Yes.
No.
Is it a yes or no for you?
Situationship.
Yes.
Yes. I like it.
Okay.
ज़्यादा टिकते नहीं ना रात दिन भर. मजाक कर रही हूँ.
तो मिस्चिफ Double texting.
I am not that person. I'll only text once, and if I don't get the reply, there is no way I'm going to, unless my money is stuck with somebody.
मैं कर देती हूँ यार, yes. I'm like, अरे शायद फंस गया होगा यार, whatever, I do it.
बहुत
बेशक.
चिंता रहती है. Hard to get games.
No, I get it if a guy is playing around with me.
Okay.
I too get it.
Okay, it's a yes for you both. Public proposals.
I see a lot of them. अब मैं बोलूँगी हाँ मुझे पसंद है तो पता नहीं कभी हुआ नहीं. I don't-
आप चाहते हो आपके साथ?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is sweet for you.
Yeah, I would like it अगर publicly ऐसे कोई लड़का, yeah, it was nice.
Matching couple outfits.
Yes.
I would want to wear what I want to wear. अभी अब पता नहीं समझ आ रहा होता दूसरे तू ये पहन तू.
नहीं सोचो मैं उसको मैचिंग उर्फी आउटफिट पहना रही हूँ, कुछ वो भी उसने सेफ्टी पिन पहनी हुई
ये
है,
बहुत अमेजिंग.
या तो मैंने ताला पहना है उसको चाबी पहनाई है. बेस्ट.
प्लीज करना प्लीज.
अरे तो लड़का तो मिले उसके लिए बहन, कहाँ से करना, मिल ही नहीं रहा है कोई, फिर उसको इसके लिए कन्विंस करना कि तू ताला पहन, मैं चाबी पहनूंगी.
गायब स्टॉप ब्लॉक.
तो वो ताला चाबी लगा के ही निकल जाएगा.
Soft boys.
I like cute boys. I don't really like the term soft boys.
Cute
Yeah,
boys.
that's a-
I like
yeah,
hard.
she's right.
I like solid men.
Okay.
But the softness, yes, with the warmth, the way they treat the girl and the women, you know, it's always nice. Like one thing I've always admired in my brother, because he's the most of the times he's with me. Even being a brother, sibling, बाल नोच के हम मार देते थे एक दूसरे को. But now that he's grown up to be a guy, unknowingly also, he's always the one who will open the door first, and then when I enter
that's
first,
sweet.
he'll make sure, even if I'm taking a flight, he'll make sure, have you landed, have you reached home?
That's sweet.
So that is so much of protective,
That's sweet.
you know,
That's-
he's of me. So I would want my man to be like that.
So it's a yes.
Yeah.
And for you?
Yeah, I like soft guys. I don't like alpha guys.
Gym selfies.
No.
Yeah, why not?
Yes?
I don't want my man to go to the gym only. No, gym mat jao. I want him to get fat and like go to the gym.
Yes.
क्योंकि
I
और
am very
लड़की देखी ही
happy.
ना.
Calling your ex after a drink.
After a drink.
मैंने कभी नहीं किया ये सब लाइफ में.
So it's a no.
I've woken up with a chewing gum in my mouth, with shoes on, with my clothes on, with makeup on. So that probably I just have, if ever that has happened 1 or 2 times in my life, I've passed out. I've never really texted anyone.
Okay, for you?
Yeah, I've also never texted. What are you saying? I don't know. मेरा ex ही नहीं है तो मैं किसे text करूँ?
Dating app, small talk.
I've never
Yes
been on
or no?
dating app. Have you ever been on dating app?
बहुत.
मैंने कभी छुई नहीं है वो
मैंने भी
apps.
नहीं
मतलब मुझे-
अभी नहीं, 8-9 साल
single
पहले
हूँ।
बहुत. I've
अच्छा?
met a lot of guys. A lot.
उनमें से कोई अच्छा निकलता है? मतलब सीरियस रहने लायक निकलते हैं डेटिंग एप्स पे लड़के?
अब मुझे तो नहीं मिल पाया इसीलिए मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ.
मुझे कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, बट और अब मुझे करना नहीं है. Like if somebody, जब इतने टाइम में आप सामने से किसी के साथ, if it is not worked out, how do you know what they are texting?
Yeah.
वो बहुत पुराने टाइम होते थे. Hello, how are you?
Yeah.
Wanna chat? Are you mad? ये आज का टाइम थोड़ी ना है. I'm just too busy in life and I'm glad about that.
Let's take it slow, boys. It's a yes or no for you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Toxic but hot.
Yeah.
Those who are not hot are also toxic. So it's better they are hot.
Fair. I'll go with that.
Yeah.
Long distance relationships.
No, a big no. पागल बना रहे हैं तुम्हारा.
I've only been in long distance. I've never dated anyone from like here. I've
उर्फी तेरा कितनी बार कटा है बे?
कटाई मतलब I don't know. It's just a mutual breakup situation every time. But
Cute.
it's only long distance.
Okay. Saying I love you on day 3. मतलब
Bullshit.
bullshit.
मैं हुआ नहीं. अच्छा, ये तेरे साथ हो चुका है? भाई बंदी अलग level
मुझे
पे
इनसे ही टिप्स लेनी पड़ेगी.
I have
अब.
said I love you to a guy even before meeting him.
Was he your crush?
No, he was my boyfriend.
And then he
Okay.
became your boyfriend.
Yeah. But नहीं उससे पहले we started dating before we met each other. Long back. Yeah.
So ये वो ही कर रही थी. Hi, hello.
हाँ.
Okay. Sharing passwords.
No.
Never done that.
Stalking your ex new partner.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Ex new partner. Never done that. When do we have time for all of this, यार?
Posting couple reels. मैं अब इन्हीं से टिप्स लूंगी. मैं बहुत मोटिवेट हो रही हूँ इनके आंसर
I तो keep stalking every day only कि आज इस कुतिया ने क्या किया है.
Posting couple reels.
Couple reels.
Yeah.
हो तो सही यार couple के.
अगर हुआ तो इसे yes or no.
No. Yeah, a lot. No, not. यार ओवर करते हैं ना कुछ लोग भी. अब see both the sides of it. Some
Yeah.
go like to an extent where it just becomes so cringy. यार हर दिन उठ के love you.
True.
तो it's got it's hard to maintain a balance in today's social media world. जो दिखा रहे हैं वो इतना दिखा रहे हैं कि मतलब उल्टी लग जाए, इतना शुगर ओवरडोज हो रहा है शुगर का, मतलब इतना कोई क्या क्या इतना प्यार किस में होता है, नहीं है तो फिर किसी का है ही नहीं, बिल्कुल ही नहीं है, you know.
ठीक है.
Don't post at all.
I mean, if my partner is okay with it, and if कोई कोलैब भी आने लगे कपल वाले, कुछ पैसे वैसे मिलने लगे तो मैं तो डाल दूंगी.
Fair enough. See?
Fair
हाँ,
enough.
पैसे कमा रहे हैं तो why not?
Yeah.
Private relationships, not secret ones, but
I like that. Yeah.
yes.
हाँ मतलब not by my choice, my partner only wants it, तो क्या करें अभी?
Love bombing.
मेरा तो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में जाता है अभी. फ्लैट हेड ओवर हील्स.
Yes,
Where you girl? Where?
सारी लड़कियां सेम ही होती हैं.
7th डे तक तो भाई साहब ऐसा ठंडा पड़ता है, मतलब शादी वादी के सपने यार.
Yeah,
ये होगा
yeah.
क्या मेरा पार्टनर? वाह यार सही ट्रीट कर रहा है.
Within a month, like वो यही है बस, शादी होने वाली है.
Taking advice from friends about your relationship.
Yeah, I do that a lot because मेरे सारे जितना मेरा सर्कल है ना, they've all been married, they've all been into it. You know, so I get that a lot and I ask a lot of questions.
And for you?
They give, I don't take.
तो मैं आप लोगों को दोस्त समझ के आप लोगों से ले सकती हूँ ना रिलेशनशिप की एडवाइस.
हमने सब बता दी अपनी, जो नहीं भी I don't know what all have I
हम
spoken.
दोनों यहाँ सिंगल बैठी हैं, तुम हमसे क्या लेना
मैं भी
चाहोगी?
सिंगल हूँ ना.
तो वो फिर सिंगल ही रहोगी तुम.
अच्छी बात.
अगर हमसे एडवाइस दोगी तो.
नहीं मैं भी रिलेशनशिप में आना चाहती हूँ, मेरे भी कुछ अरमान है, लेकिन मैं थोड़ी बहुत एडवाइस आपसे लूंगी.
तुम्हारे क्या अरमान है?
मतलब मुझे भी
Relationship
बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए, मैं
में
बहुत टाइम से सिंगल हूँ, तो अब ऐसा
शादी
है.
हो, मांग में सिंदूर डले, लहंगा पहनूं.
मैं भी ऐसी ही हूँ,
माला
बॉयफ्रेंड
डले.
बनाते ही फिर मैं सोच
मैं
रही
भी
थी
ऐसी हूँ, मैं नहीं हूँ ऐसी.
शादी आपने अभी बताया तो कि शुरू में ही है
अच्छा,
प्लान
बोला तो मैंने
एवरीथिंग.
ऐसा.
love
हाँ, मैंने
bombing
बोला
है.
होगा.
लव बॉम्बिंग की भाई को शादी करनी है, बच्चा करना है, सब सोच लेते हो आप.
I am settled. I'm stable in that phase of my life where I can say yes to all of that. I've not met a guy like that who's stable that way. Yeah. But नहीं भी होगी, मैं मरे नहीं जा रही. That's not my the सपना of my life. I've heard girls saying that. No, मैंने बहुत मेरी
I
शादी.
am that girl.
There's nothing wrong. But eventually we all have to. Oh yeah, I've reached that point in my life where I've heard some toughest conversations from my friends, and they've given me, and it's about egg freezing, and I'm not some part of my body is not ready to even understand what that's all about. But yeah, I mean,
Yes,
you know,
so some girls, because we have a biological clock,
Yeah.
they just want to freeze their eggs in
Yeah.
case they decide to get married later,
Yes.
or you know, in case they want to have kids even late. And I think it's okay.
I get it, but जब भी ये बातें उठती है ना, मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैं क्या बोलूँ, because मुझे ऐसा लगे मैं तो अभी खुद ही बच्ची हूँ, ये क्या हो गया यार. I'm not ready to take that on very मतलब मैं register नहीं कर पा रही उस चीज़ को. And I've got a set of girls who keep telling me all of that, and then I'm, with all due respect, I'm glad I'm getting to know all of these. But पता नहीं यार, मेरा दिमाग घूमता ही नहीं आता.
बहुत न्यू जनरेशन की बहुत नई नई चीजें आ गई हैं. पहले इट वाज नॉट देयर, एग फ्रीजिंग और समथिंग लाइक
But
दैट.
it's a good thing ना, we
Suddenly,
all are
yeah.
getting options थोड़े open, because एक लड़की की biological clock बहुत छोटी होती है. Options open हो रहे हैं, IVF and everything, and
Yeah.
few girls want to be a mother. Some girls, like, they get to that age, they're like, we want to be a mother, and that's good for them. I mean, it might not be for us, but it's definitely, if it's for them and they're getting more options, amazing.
ओके, आई गेस मैंने आज आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ जान लिया है, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि मैं आप दोनों के बारे में इतना कुछ जानती हूँ. मैं लोगों को बता पाऊँगी कि आई नो निया एंड उर्फी. बट दिस वाज अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी चैलेंज, और मुझे लग रहा है बहुत मज़ा आया. आप लोगों को मज़ा आया?
I will love
Yeah.
it.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
बट आई लव दिस गर्ल गैंग. आई होप कि ऐसे ही हम आपसे बातचीत करते रहें. Until then, keep watching MTV Splitsvilla 16.